today we are changing the rear diff oil on this 2022 Honda CR-V. My change all-wheel drive oil maintenance light came on, so I'm like, what's that? So this is what we have going on. My dog is barking, I'm sorry. What we're gonna do is we gotta take off this plug here, and this will drain the all-wheel drive oil, and then it takes 1.3 quarts, and there should be a plug up top. We'll have to see if I can find that, but from the one I understand, the way the all-wheel drive system works on this thing, oh yep, there's a plug right there on the side. So we'll be taking those out. So this is the fill, or this is the check fill, and then this is the drain. So check this plug here, because this is, you can see all the junk on the end there. So this is the reason why this has to be changed at 10,000, I believe it is, because of all that wear in the clutches. So that wasn't too bad. It's quite a bit, but it's not too bad. So just wipe all that off, and then I have this ring right here. We're gonna need 1.3 quarts, but first I'm gonna measure the amount of oil that came out just to verify. One thing about living on a street like this, got a lot of traffic. They all think it's a race course. Oh, so apparently it's not going to take that much. It's already pouring out. I made a massive mess here.